system way before I got here. So you know, I'm not go reckless backup if we can. But it's tough. It's a tough one. But not to say it is investigate and make a more. But we'll look into it, and we have been looking into it since we have that gun in our possession. But I think the most important thing now, the most important thing now is like a question MSL might eat for you. I think Sina asked the same question on the middle systems, just to ensure why they were when they're here. And that's just one system we have in place. We have plenty of systems to ensure a thorough investigation. They'll go, make sure for you when we do make an arrest to charge someone, that there are thorough investigation done, there's procedures, and we have systems in place for checks and balances to ensure that we're not violating their constitutional rights as well, and the ingredients of the crime are in there. So again, there are many more for systems before we even get there. For example, before any one of us here in you have to be certified through our training, defensive driving course before Of course, there's always exceptions to that rule, but for our policy, to drive it without first going through the defensive driving course, authorized. So we have many policies now and many systems just to ensure to do our best to and ultimately these are all public. It's your stuff, and it's in our hands now. So we want to make sure that we keep it safe and use it wisely and professionally to do the job. This is just one of them. Tina.
Just going back to the incentive and the food vouchers, and on a lighter note, but still very interesting, there's a notion that a lot of women brought in these guns, and in exchange for food vouchers for the family, perhaps our partners from Australia could just maybe put some light or some background information about exactly the fraction or the percentage of women that perhaps have brought in some of these guns in relation to the food voucher incentive.
Yeah, we can look into that. I don't know those figures, the percentages, but I can see that happening as well. But I hope whoever brings it in are familiar with the gun safety, handling, and transportation of these firearms. And obviously, our women, if it's more women that brought it in, it didn't come to my attention. Obviously, they're very familiar with handling guns and transporting guns if they did that, and they did it safely.
Commissioner, there may be some men who don't know that their illegal guns have been here until they see it on our roads.
I don't have that info, but most of the guns were turned in over here in headquarters. Headquarters was the primary place where these guns were recovered from. I've seen it.
Yeah, which one is that? Are you able to show us?
It's that one right there. It's a lot of you don't have to handle it, you can just kind of point at it. And it's a Glock 17, and it's a 9mm. And this is a police issue. They handle it, but you can zero in on it if you want.
Was that one of the pistols up on MB Avenue? So I saw one of these pistols.
Yeah, these weapons can be handled by any certified little. I don't know what the policy and what the criteria was back then, but I can tell you right now, the tactical unit that handles these weapons or any weapon, they're very well trained and disciplined, and they know all the rules of Nickel Fana. And we're very, very strict with these. So these guns, as with our other guns, can be taken anywhere in Samoa, including even the Honolulu. Yeah, thank you for coming. Feel free to take the photos. Please don't touch the guns. And most importantly, don't walk away with one.